today's vlog.
What's Bobby?
We're already started. We're on the ground, and we're gonna be doing what, your spacers?
Spacers. We'll show what I picked up. Okay. So I will explain this haul because I did something a little not traditional, just for the fact of I live in Illinois and you need a second set of tires. But I didn't want to spend all the money, but I was trying to like be smart about it. So what I ended up doing was, I believe they're 2013 or Subaru Impreza wheels. They are 5x100s. So I had to find wheel spacers that were 5x114.32 5x100s. So what I ended up having to do was get the closest center bore to where I could get rings. Because I believe these are 68.
68 mil.
68 point something.
Oh god.
But I had to get 60. I had to bring it down to 64 because of the bore. I don't know. Honestly, I might be butchering it. There's a lot of numbers. All I know is I had to be very, very smart about paying for everything, because I was like, dude, I need these tires on, and there really can't be any room for error. So
yeah,
I was trying to really be careful about specifications, because I know there's certain things where like, oh, this won't fit your vehicle, but as long as the measurements and dimensions are within the threshold, then why not? So these are 1-inch spacers that are 5x114s to 5x100s.
Some good lugs.
Yes, if they would come out. Butchered the unboxing, but that's okay.
Decent though.
So those are my lugs. Got the splines again. Open-ended. I thought these were really cool. And then these are the rings.
Now those are the adapter rings for the hub?
Yes.
Okay.
So this will make sure that this
that'll fit.
snug fit with the have a snug fit with the spacers.
Cool.
Yeah, so these are 64.1 to 67.1 center board. So first things first is we're gonna take the front 2 tires off and then mock some stuff.
So we put this adapter piece on for the hub.
I mean, worst comes to worst, I just gotta get new rings, but as long as these are torqued down, I'm still fine.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah!
Hell yeah.
Thank God.
Very nice.
Thank God.
So these are adapter like spacers, I guess. I mean, they do come out like 1 inch, which is fine.
That makes me so happy right now.
Right? But it fits.
Oh.
Some people are like, don't run adapters, but
as long as
whatever.
The thing is, what I've read is if they're not torqued, like torqued right.
Yeah. And we have a torque wrench.
Yes. Whoa!
Look at the tires though. They look good.
Oh man.
That actually looks pretty solid, bro. I was a little skeptical at first, to be honest. How you feel?
Smart.
Yeah, man. It looks pretty good. So it's clearing everything. The adapter went in pretty good.
Yep.
It looks like everything's flush, like no problem. Everything got torqued down. So now we're gonna put the tire on. I like these. These are nice. Oh, I dropped one.
Oh God.
Oh, hold on. What? I don't know. Are these they're not the right thread.
What?
Put it on. It doesn't go. Is yours going?
Yeah.
All the way?
I mean, it's like stopping halfway.
That's not good.
Oh.
Yeah, these are 12x1.5, homie.
Oh, I have the wrong lugs?
Yeah. Oh wait. Your stock ones fit.
Okay.
Okay.
That works.
Almost had a scare there, boys. Sabrina's in there to hold the brakes. The stock ones also fit on these spacers. The ones that we bought were 12x1.25, so unfortunately,
I was off by like a half.
Unfortunately, they don't fit.
But all right, coming down.
Do it.
Sabrina, you get to take your foot off the brake.
Wait, come up.
What? Oh, tire. stupid.
Big bag.
Oh my god.
Oh man. F.
Fuck. In the chat.
Oh no. Okay. Okay. I do like that. It has a really good stance poke. This is directly above, so it barely peeks over the fender. Barely.
Just enough.
I would say that's not even a 1/4 of an inch poke. That actually looks really good. I'm a big fan of that. Now, these lowering springs.
Stop it.
Jay's control arms are actually really, really bad. So I wouldn't want that to go on, and then it would just look like
we're gonna get a repeat of the Beamer if we do so.
So just to reiterate then, Jay, you have, yeah, so 2013 like Impreza or Rex wheels, I'm guessing. The hub adapter rings we didn't even end up using, so I guess you do not need hub adapter rings. Make sure that if you are on a RSX, it is 12 by 1.5 for the lugs, and not
12 by 1.25.
12 by 1.25.
Yeah.
It looks good. I actually like the 1 inch space, 1 inch spaced out. It actually looks really good.
Yeah.
And it has like a better fitment, so it's pretty flush to the body. Like the rear is like pretty flush. The front pokes out for sure a little bit. It'll probably feel better. Like you could probably feel like you'll corner it better because it's spaced out further. Do it. Look at that monster fitment though. Huh? We need to get low like soon. Why? It looks ugly. No. You gotta be straight up with your boys. But it actually looks really good. I like this. I like the black. Are you camera-ceptioning me right now? Mm-hmm. Are you on the phone with like Mel? Or is it on Snapchat? Oh, it's a Snapchat. Hi, follow my YouTube page. This is the classic face, the roll up and you just look.
You can tell the difference.
I'm sure you can. It's an inch
heavy.
out. It's an inch out, yeah.
It feels heavy. Drive it.
Feel it?
Like drive it.
Alright, I'll drive. I'll drive.
The car doesn't feel light anymore.
Oh, okay, yeah. So the reason for that is because you're an inch out all around. So what happens is you get a wider track stance and thus the car is more stable. Yeah, it definitely actually feels a lot better. Like there's not as much body roll anymore. And once you get on springs or if you get on coils, right? Yeah, it's gonna feel a lot better for sure. For sure. So this is the advantage of having wider rims, by the way, because you get the same feeling. Yeah, you get the same feel. That's why if you drive my car in the Sabrina just found a dog.
That's the neighbors. They're it's an electric fence.
Oh. Are they cool neighbors?
Yeah.
Are they just gonna be like, why is there a random girl in my backyard?
Sabrina look way too excited right now, like she's gonna steal the dog.
She's gonna take the dog. Oh yeah, we could put it on the banner too. Alright, until Thursday!
Yeah! Come on! What's popping?
We're doing the banner. So we've done a couple things already before we started filming. First of all, we already cleaned the glass, so the glass is all clean. Ideally, yeah, you would do this indoors so dust and shit wouldn't get there, but we're not fancy. We don't have the access to that, so whatever. So I've never been properly taught how to do a banner, and this is Jay's first time ever doing a banner, so this is just my way of doing it. There's probably better ways, but this is how I'm doing it. We line up the banner to the edge, so here's the glass. The glass actually is lower, it's about here, because this is the trim. So the glass goes up to about right here. We're gonna pull that up. These tape marks are just for Lord.
Oh no!
Oh no! That's okay. The tape marks, just for that exact reason, is so that
when JJ's being a dummy,
we lined up already. So I'm telling Jay to do the exact same thing on his side, so that he can get that done. We want to make sure that this is flat. It won't add too much necessarily. It's not really that low, but we want to make sure that this part right there is flat, and it is. I mean, except for those, but obviously that's going to come down. So next, after we do this, all we have to do is we're going to take the squeegee bottle, which you need if you're going to do an install. Do all water and like 1 pump of dish soap. forgot the dish soap?
No, I did like 7.
Oh.
I'm just kidding.
Okay, just 1 or 2 pumps of dish soap, not too much. And then you're gonna spray the back of the banner and go from there. And then you squeegee it all out.
Oh God, squeegee.
Oh, we need a squeegee. I'm gonna set you down somewhere hopefully that you can see, and then we will put this in. Oh. Keep that shit up, don't let it drop.
I know.
Take the spray bottle and just go at it.
Okay.
Keep going. And then spray the windshield, just the top. Line it up just the way that it should be. So, because of wetting everything, it actually makes this easier. So all this shit up there is actually gonna go away, and we get to squeegee it all out. Anyway, super simple. So from here, all we have to do is just make sure that these creases are good. We're gonna keep the tape there to make sure it doesn't shift. And then from here, we want to begin the squeegee process. Just some quick passes first, just to get a lot of the excess water and shit out.
Did you start at the crease here?
Mm-hmm, because we're gonna end up having to go the other way as well. Yeah. So, as we're squeegeeing, all the water and all that shit that we just put on there is going away, which is good because now the banner will be more stuck than it was slippery. Because when there's all this stuff, the banner will shift. So by squeegeeing all the liquid out and the dish soap, it would save us if there was a mistake, but it will also keep things pretty flat. Cut conservatively, don't do a precision yet because we might make a mistake. So like this is probably the best way. These are some nice razors.
I was like, technically you should have been filming your side because now you're filming me.
But it's okay, it's a learning process. Yeah, so as he's doing that with the squeegee, basically what I was explaining was that we're gonna push up against the crease now, which is actually where we're gonna make our cut very soon. You know what's nice is having a squeegee. Last time I've done the last 2 banner installs, they were credit cards. It sucked.
Well, this
and having this razor too, I used my knife, dude. It was bad.
See this, but this squeegee specifically, I didn't know there's like, I know there's like specific ones for things like this. This one straight up just meant like Bondo one.
But it's okay, it works. So now is when we're gonna take the razor and we're gonna go right to the trim. So here's the rubber trim, and you see where it goes over. You want your blade exactly there. Luckily with these and not my janky knife, it's gonna be a lot better. So I'm just gonna show you with the not razor side first. But you go basically right here, and then you're gonna cut all the way across, and then we're gonna tuck everything. And that's gonna also include the side as well.
Can you actually do a mock cut here, so that way I know what line to follow from you?
Yeah.
I'd rather follow your line.
Also, with banners, it's easier to have the flat blade.
Oh, actually like sitting on it slightly?
Yeah. What we end up doing with the cut is take your squeegee, credit card, whatever, and put it underneath so that it goes under the trim. You see how it's right there, and then it goes in, right? And so as the trim is like that, where you can see that the thing is underneath, that's so that the trim will go over the banner. So now it's tucked in. And then this actually looks pretty good. Not bad at all. That was pretty easy.
That's actually what I wanted. I wanted the thinner, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Actually looks pretty good. But it'll help block out the sun a little.
No, yeah.
Just a little bit. We can always get a longer one. I mean, this only took us 20 minutes, so yeah, we could always just do another one if we wanted. And that's how we do banner install.
That's what's poppy.
That's it.
Alright.
Yeah?
Oh, we're making a YouTube channel. Coming home. Hey DJ, I'm just closing my door. Coming home.
Yeah?
getting me the chicken that I just cut.
Oh, he's got chicken. Oh, Dad, I love you. Oh my God, he got chicken. Oh my gosh.
This is my garage. I'm Manny Pacquiao. This is my wife, Jinky
Jinky Pacquiao.
Pacquiao.